you're going to need to download the EyeJack app. So all I've done is a Google search for EyeJack, and what you need to click on jackapp.com is the website. So when you get to the page, you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you need to go to EyeJack Creator. Click on EyeJack Creator. And if you want to download for Mac or download for Windows, depending on what you're using, you just click on the one that you need. I'm going to put my name, Miss Nguyen, and email. I'm just going to add my email. And then you don't need to put a website, and click download for Mac. So the file should just straight download. All right, so that's downloaded. So I'm just going to open the file in my browser, or you can go to your downloads. And you just need to drag EyeJack into applications. You can click on applications, it's copying, and EyeJack should be there. So let's just go to my search on the side, EyeJack Creator, and double click. Yes, you do want to open it. So I'm going to create an account. So I'm just going to go Miss Nguyen, my email. Let's make our password student 1 exclamation mark and create our account. So that's going to send a confirmation code to your email. And so I've got to type in my email again. Sorry guys, this is a bit tedious. And my password was student 1 exclamation mark and sign in. All right, and this is where we can get our AR started.